Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and prophet Muhammad, and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, what is the soul of prayer? What is the spirit of prayer? The soul of prayer is to focus on presence of God and to feel it within your heart, and you make your heart connect with supernatural power, Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, that's the only one soul of prayer. At first, we should make our mind free from all kinds of distracted thoughts and emotions. Then we should bring into our heart presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that we can feel Him. We can be aware about His presence. That's called khushu' and khudu'. And there is very profound hadith. أن تعبد الله كأنك تراه. You should pray in such a way so that you can see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فإن لم تكن تراه. If you are not able to see Him, فإنه يراك. Then you should pray in such a way so that Allah can see you. So my dear brothers and sisters, there is no another option to perform the prayer without two positions. Most of time and most of Muslim community, we take care about recitation of Holy Quran. Is it correct or not? Yes, recitation of Holy Quran in the prayer is very important. You should recite the Holy Quran correctly. And most of the time we take care about our another activities. For example, standing position in prayer, how to put hands, how to go for ruku' and how to go for sajda. We should perform all these activities correctly, but there is something more important than all these activities, which called khushu' and khudu'. Ruhu salat, soul of prayer. You should be completely conscious of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you should feel presence of God within your heart when you pray. That's the goal of our performing prayer, not only for salat, for all prayers. Allah give us tawfiq to understand Islam as it is, not as we understand, not as we believe. Thank you very much.